Your Roku TV speakers sound weak, so you try connecting a Bluetooth speaker, but the setup can be confusing if you're not sure where to start. Some Roku TVs support Bluetooth audio directly, while others do not, and that's where many people get stuck. In this video, I'll show you how to connect a Bluetooth speaker to your Roku TV, how to pair it correctly, and what to do if the connection doesn't work the first time. First, check whether your Roku actually supports Bluetooth audio. From the Roku home screen, open Settings and go to Remotes and Devices. Look for options like wireless headphones or Bluetooth headphones and speakers. If you see those options, your device supports Bluetooth audio and you can connect a speaker directly. If you only see options related to remotes and nothing about headphones or speakers, your Roku TV does not support direct Bluetooth pairing. If your Roku does support Bluetooth, pairing your speaker is simple. Turn on your Bluetooth speaker and put it into pairing mode so it's ready to connect. Then go back to your Roku TV, open Settings, select Remotes and Devices, and choose Bluetooth or wireless headphones and speakers. Select Add New Bluetooth Audio Device and wait while the TV searches for nearby devices. When your speaker appears on the screen, select it and allow the connection to complete. Once pairing finishes, the sound from your TV will begin playing through the Bluetooth speaker. If you don't see Bluetooth options on your Roku, there is still another easy way to connect a Bluetooth speaker. This method uses the Roku mobile app and a feature called Private Listening. Private listening works by sending the TV audio through your phone first and then playing it through your headphones or Bluetooth speaker. Start by downloading the Roku mobile app on your phone. Make sure your phone and your Roku TV are connected to the exact same Wi-Fi network because the app will not detect your device if they are on different networks. Once the app connects to your Roku, open the Remote tab and tap the headphone icon to enable private listening. After that, connect your phone to your Bluetooth speaker. The audio from your Roku TV will now play through the speaker using your phone as the bridge. If the speaker does not appear during Bluetooth pairing, make sure it is still in pairing mode and placed close to the TV. If the sound cuts out or there is a delay, restart both the Roku device and the speaker and try connecting again. And if private listening in the app isn't working, double-check that your phone and the Roku TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network and restart the app before trying again. At this point, you've covered both connection methods and ruled out pairing issues, network problems, and compatibility limits. One of these methods should allow you to use a Bluetooth speaker with your Roku TV. If this video helped you connect your speaker, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple tech guides, and let me know in the comments which method worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.